Morning, dear students. This video is for Standard 6 children. Here I will teach Chapter 17, the future tense. Now, let me discuss with you about what is a tense. We have already covered this topic in the previous chapters. The tense of a verb indicates present, past and future time. So the tense of a verb, it tells about the present time or the past time or the future time. The tense indicates whether the action is complete, action is going on, has been completed in recent past, or it started earlier and has continued into the present. Now here I'll discuss with you about future tense. What is a future tense? The future tense of the verb indicates a state, an action or event that happens at a later point of time or in the future. It means the future tense tells about a state or an action or an event that will happen in the immediate or the near future. It predicts an event in the immediate or near future. Like for example, we will make a sand castle. She will go to Chennai. So, she did not go to Chennai yet, but in the near future, she will go to Chennai. In the near future, we will make a sand castle. So, the future tense tells about an event, an action or a state that will happen at a particular point of time in the immediate or near future. Now, future tense are of four types: simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. So, in this video, I will discuss with you about the two tenses, that is simple future tense and the future continuous tense. Now, how is the simple future tense formed? Will or shall plus the base form of the verb. Like for example, the school will conduct essay competition next week, or she will return after 1 hour. Future continuous will be plus base form of the verb plus ing. She will be meeting the children on Friday, or our teacher will be correcting our answer scripts all of tomorrow. Then future perfect will have plus past participle form of the verb. Like for example, my elder brother will have completed his 10th grade by 2020. My parents will have completed 25 years of marriage by 2018. And future perfect continuous will have been plus participle form of the verb. Like for example, they will have been working on this project for 6 months by the end of next week. Now, what is simple future tense? The simple future tense is used for action that will happen at some point of time in the future. It expresses, the simple future tense express something that will happen in the future. It is formed by adding will to the base form of the verb. See children, it is formed by using shall will with the base form of the verb. But the use of shall is an old-fashioned usage. So the use of shall has become outdated. Before, shall was used with the subjects in the first person. It means it was used with the first person of the subject. But nowadays will is used with all the three persons of a subject. So it is formed by adding will to the base form of the verb. For example, I will play with my friends in the evening. And the negative sentence is formed by adding shall or will not, by adding not, will not to the base form of the verb. Like for example, she will not get a pet dog. So to form a negative sentence, we have to add not, will not to the base form of the verb. And the interrogative form has the structure. Interrogative form is with that ask questions. It has the structure shall or will plus the subject plus the base form of the verb. Like for example, will we go to the theater tomorrow? So will plus subject we plus the base form of the verb. To the theater tomorrow. Dear students, here are few more examples of simple future tense. So the positive sentence is formed how? Subject plus will plus the base form of the verb. Negative is formed subject plus will not plus the base form of the verb. And the question, that is the interrogative form, is formed will plus subject plus the base form of the verb and the question mark. So some positive sentences, some negative, and some interrogative sentences. I will come, I will not come, will I come? Question mark. You will come, you will not come, will you come? Question mark. He will come, he will not come, will he come? Question mark. She will come, she will not come, will she come? Again question mark. It will come, it will not come, will it come? Question mark. We will come, we will not come, will we come? Question mark. You will come, you will not come, will you come? Question mark. They will come, they will not come, and will they come? Again question mark. Now the future continuous tense. What is the future continuous tense? It indicates an ongoing action that will start in the future. It means the future continuous tense is used for action that will start in the future and then it will continue for some time. Ongoing action means future continuous tense talks about the action that is going to happen in the future and will continue for some time. And how is it formed? By adding the future form of be verb. The future form of be verb means will be with the past participle of the verb. Past participle of the verb means that ends in ing and can be used with the auxiliary form to be the part of the continuous tense. So it is formed will be plus verb plus the ing. So Rita will be. The future form of will be verb is will be. Rita will be the verb meet ing. So Rita will be meeting. Will be meeting her mother tomorrow. It will be meeting indicates the future continuous tense. So this sentence is in future continuous tense. And the negative is formed by adding will plus not to the past participle form of the verb. We will add not will plus not. Like for example, I will not be carrying the bag. And to form the interrogative sentence or the question to ask question, we will have to change the position of subject and the auxiliary verb. So the auxiliary verb will come at first and then the subject. Will you be playing cricket? Here we have changed the position of the verb and the subject. One important point, the verb forget, last, rich, remember, see, want and wish cannot be used in the future continuous tense. So remember children, these words like forget, last, rich, remember, see, want and wish cannot be used in the future continuous tense. Now here are few more examples of future continuous tense, positive sentences, some negative sentences and some interrogative sentences. Like, it will be raining at this time tomorrow. He will be visiting his friend this time next week. She will be watching TV. This time tomorrow, he will be working on our project. They will be returning letter to each other. Negative sentences, he will not be visiting his friend this time next week. She will not be watching TV. This time tomorrow, we will not be working on our project. They will not be writing letter to each other. And some interrogative sentences, the positions of the subject and the verb are interchange. You can see, will it be raining at this time tomorrow? Will he be visiting his friend this time next week? This time tomorrow, will we be working on our project? Will they be writing letter to each other? Thank you children. In the next part, I will upload future perfect tense and the future perfect continuous tense and the use of going to. Thank you.